Hey everybody, we are taking a look at the Unit 3 Part 2 test, okay? So what I have right here is this is the formula for area of a circle, okay? Let me grab the right kind of pen. This is the formula for the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle. Okay, so as you can see, you've got x minus h. So for us in our problem, we had x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared. And all I did was take this equation here and write it underneath the formula, okay? Since we have these, the h and the k right here, these are our center points. They're the coordinates of your center point, okay? So since this is a minus and a minus, hey, I like that. What that does is that tells me that h is whatever is underneath it. So it's 2, okay? So let me go ahead and put that there. So I know that h is going to be equal to 2. Now, I do have kind of a little problem though with the k, because with the k over there, you've got a minus. We want it to be a minus, but in our formula or the equation that they gave us, it's a plus. Okay, so the minus and the plus don't match up. So the reason why that minus turned into a plus, okay, was because when I put that minus there, whatever k is has to turn the minus into a plus. So remember, 2 negatives make a plus. So k is really equal to -3. Because like I said, if you take the minus a negative, this would become a positive, making it y plus 3. So my y is equal to -3. Now these are coordinates, okay? So that's like an x and a y value. So my x is the h, which is 2, and my y, the y is the k. The y is the k, so that would be a -3. Okay, so that tells me that is the center of my circle, okay? Now for B, what is the radius and diameter of the circle? So r squared, remember r stands for radius. R stands for radius. Well, for us, then r squared is that 9, okay? So r squared is equal to 9. Now, that doesn't mean that my radius is 9, okay? It means that the radius squared is equal to 9. So what I need to do is I need to get rid of that squared. And to cancel out the squared, I need to do a square root. So if I do the square root to cancel out that squared, what I do to one side, I've got to do to the other, okay? So that squared and the square root over here, they cancel out. So I'm left with the radius is equal to the square root of 9, which is 3, okay? So my radius is equal to 3. Now this problem also wants me to tell them what the diameter is. Remember, the diameter is 2 radiuses put together, okay? It is like the radius times 2. So the diameter would be 6, okay? So last little part of this test is to graph the circle. So we start with our center point, which is 2, -3. So we go when the x is 2 and the y is -3. Okay, so there's my center point. Okay, my radius is 3. So my radius, remember, that's from the center point to the outside of my circle, and it's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing, all different, like right, left, up, and down, so that way I know where my boundaries of my circle are. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so all those are radius. That's a radius. So they're all radii that are a length of 3. So then I draw in my circle, and that's it. Hey, make sure, guys, when you are turning in this test, you've got to show all your work, okay? You've got to show everything. Let me know if you need help graphing a circle in Word, okay? If you are having trouble graphing the circle, if you can put a good description on it saying, the center is at 2, -3, the radius would be 3 away, talk to me about the process of it, then, I'll give you full credit for that. Okay? Please reach out to me if you need any help. Thanks a lot.